Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hello. You want more information about birdwatching vacations in Houston, Texas? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about birdwatching vacations in Houston, Texas is www.texasoutside.com. Specifically the page titled Texas Birdwatching, texasoutside.com. Here's the link. You can also try www.bird-watching-vacation.com, especially the page Texas Lodging for Birdwatching Vacations. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 0.r.msn.com. The web page Galveston Getaways galveston.tripadvisor.com. Here's the link.